Gasoline prices, I know because, right before I got to work today, I filled up here in New Jersey. It was $3.29 a gallon. That's well below where it was just months ago. So take me through what the thinking is here. Why are prices maybe headed higher from here?
Yeah, well, we've had actually a pretty run of a little bit of bad luck with some refineries. You probably saw yesterday, or actually Tuesday evening, there was a fire at a refinery in Ohio, and we're also getting into that maintenance season. So the kind of margin for error for refining operations gets a little bit thinner. So we're still in a supply situation where gasoline inventories throughout the United States are well below where they might normally be. California is a real tough spot right now, as it kind of always is. So we're watching refining action right now. So far, things are there's a fine line, but for the time being, gasoline supplies are getting a little bit tight.
So, as an oil analyst, you are more focused currently on the supply side of the economic equation as opposed to demand.
A little bit of both, actually. So we do get data from a bunch of stations around the country, and right now we're seeing gasoline demand that is below where we were a year ago. On a weekly basis, it could be pretty choppy, but we're running 4 or 5% below year ago levels. We're even running below September 2020 levels, which is kind of interesting. But I think people are driving a little bit less, so that could keep a lid on prices. So in the short term, I think demand has an impact as well. And we're also getting into the fall. I think at 9:03 tonight begins fall. So we get into that season where there's less driving going on.
So less driving going on. There is also, we talk about, it's nuanced and maybe a little in the weeds, but it does matter. We talk about this kind of refining aspect of everything, about these switches that we see during the course of the year between certain blends of fuel. One's geared more towards summer, one gears more towards fall and winter. I thought that the summer one was the more expensive, and now that we should be going into the fall winter, that it's less expensive. Is that really the case?
No, it absolutely is the case, and we've just seen so much market volatility over the course of the summer that the price had no choice but to move lower, basically. But to put that summer winter blend into context, think about kind of baking a cake, right? You have eggs, you have milk, flour, but in the summertime, say you need gluten-free flour, which is more expensive versus all-purpose flour that you could use in the wintertime. So that summer versus winter being cheaper is certainly a factor. But again, we had so much market volatility during the summertime that it was difficult for the price to even stay where it was. Even with our little kind of streak of 2 days of prices moving higher, I don't think we're in a trend where prices are going to shoot back up to the $455 price area that we saw early in the summer.
Why are oil prices continuing to fall? I understand that there's an economic narrative here. I understand that central banks around the world are raising rates, and that's going to kind of take a little bit of the heat off of some of these commodity markets. But can we expect any kind of a bottoming in oil prices anytime soon, or is this going to be a downtrend for a while if there is a global recession at play?
Yeah, if there is that global recession at play, I do think we see a little bit more downside. We've seen headlines about the Biden administration, kind of interested in refilling the SPR at about $80. We've seen headlines about Saudi Arabia being pleased with prices in the 90 plus area. So maybe we kind of fall into a little bit of a non-volatile range between $80 and $90 here in the short term. I think that's a possibility. But for the most part, I think we're kind of biased a bit lower. And even though supplies look to be a little bit tight on oil, I think the big macro picture is kind of overweighing that right now. And there's a dollar oil correlation. As we all know, the dollar is so much stronger than it has been in recent years. And usually it's an inverse correlation. It doesn't happen every day, but the fact of the matter is the dollar is very strong, and that usually keeps a lid on oil prices as well.